What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to delete a ton of emails here on Gmail. If you want to mass delete or delete bulk of emails here on your Gmail account, I'm going to show you the easiest way of doing that. I know how annoying it is to receive a ton of emails in here which are actually occupying a lot of space in here. You end up staying without a lot of space, and you can't even, in worst case scenarios, receive emails here if you do not get rid of those or if you do not pay for a premium subscription here on Gmail. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial, which is quite easy, simple, and very quick. First things first, I'm here on my Gmail account, as you can see here. I do have a lot of emails in here, and the normal way we used to select emails and delete them is by selecting one by one. But as you know, if you do have a lot of emails, this is going to consume you a lot of time, right? Even if you tap here at the top, for example, on select all, this will not select all the emails. For example, let me quickly delete these emails that I've selected. Let me tap on delete. This will actually delete the emails, but you'll end up having more emails here. Why? This is because the selection here is only done for the conversations on this specific page right now, which will end up here on 50 conversations. Why? Because a single page just occupies 50 emails, and that's the normal default structure of Gmail email in here. So what you need to do in here, in order if you want to select all those emails and delete, all you need to do is simply tap here on select all 1,206 conversations in primary, which is pretty much all the emails that you do have on primary section or category. You just need to select all these, and then you need to tap here on delete. Now, this process takes some time. Okay, let me tap on OK to confirm if I really want to delete all those emails. It will take some minutes, and then at the end of the day, all those emails are vanished. As you can see right now, I don't have any more email here. Now, the emails that you actually can see in here are related to promotions or social down here, because I've already deleted all of those, right? So if you want to delete another categories, you can hop into promotions, you can hop into social in here, do the same thing, select, and then select all 1,000 conversations, then tap on delete real quick, tap on OK. This will delete all emails that you've got in the category of promotions back there, right? So this is how easy you can actually select and delete emails in here in bulk from your Gmail account. Now, in case you also want to give a look at what's actually occupying a lot of space in here, you can hop here, for example, into your Google Drive right here. Tap on Google Drive once, okay? And then you'll be able to see everything that's occupying a lot of space in here. We do have actually, for example, if I tap here on Google One, a combination here of representation of both your emails, your pictures, your videos, your storage, and everything that's occupying space in here. If we tap here on storage, for example, you'll be able to see that Google Drive is occupying X, Gmail X, Google Photos X. And from here, it's much easier for you to manage cleaning up your space, or if you want to buy space, which is something that I don't really recommend, okay? You can go and clean up a lot of space in here by having specific detailed view of what's eating up a lot of space. For example, I do have Drive occupying 1 megabyte, and I do have my emails occupying 182 megabytes. So I can delete them in trash. I can delete emails with large attachments. For example, if I tap on review, you can have a straightforward and target representation of which email is occupying a lot of space. And if it's something useless, you can simply select it and delete it by taking it to your trash real quick. And do not forget to delete it from the trash bin as well. For example, all the emails that we've actually deleted in here, if I hop into Gmail once again, if I give a look in here, for example, if I tap here on trash, all those emails actually went to my trash, right? So you actually need to empty your trash if you want to get rid of those emails permanently which are occupying a lot of space. Now, your emails will be here on trash for 30 days, and after 30 days, they're going to be deleted automatically, okay? So this is how easy you can delete emails in bulk here from your Gmail account. I hope this video really helped you. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any doubts so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.